Hello my diamond painting friends, how are you all doing? It's already the fourth video of this painting, and the last time we did this part here, I did this part and already a little bit here. I did those two parts without making a video. Now we will continue here and maybe a bit of the car. I'm not really sure yet. And yeah, what do I think of the painting so far? It's nice. I'm not really happy about this part, but okay. Actually, the car is driving that direction, and when they took the picture, they make a still image of the car and the background is blurry. That's why it's a bit strange over here. But actually from far away it looks pretty nice. Every time I say here mountains, but yeah, not sure if it are really mountains, if you can call them mountains. It's just a landscape and it's not flat, but yeah, I don't want to call it mountains anymore. Here is a lot of blue inside and purple. Here has some brown tones, blacks, not really black, there are some black dots, but not real 310 blacks. This has a lot of yellow and green. But yeah, on this side there is a lot of blue tones. Part of the window is already starting. The window here, there is black trim, so it's the Model 3 2021 model. So it has the black trims around the black door handles. Here it has some black in it and not the chrome anymore. But for now, let us just start here. Maybe I will do a part of the car, but it depends on how long we will paint. But yeah, we start here with a lot of gray, but yeah, it has to be done also. So for now, I want to say just relax and enjoy the time lapse. And after the time lapse, I will show you the end results of what we did. So enjoy, and I see you in a bit. So welcome back after the time lapse. Actually, it's 1 week later now than in the beginning of the video. I already did this part. We did the time lapse this part, and I started to paint on this side. So in the next upcoming video, I think I will do this part or this part. Maybe I will do this part first, and then the big surprise will be the car. I think it will be a very nice painting. It's a bit difficult to paint because yeah, my table is not big enough. So most of the time I just fold over this part so it's a bit smaller, because I don't like to lay it like this. I think the curve will not be good for the canvas, and on this side the same. So yeah, thank you for watching again, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.